So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not done that yet, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any updates. Now let's start with the trade on GBP USD. As you can see right here on our GBP USD, we are in an uptrend move. So this is a movement. At first, we were in a downtrend move. Previous trend was a downtrend move, right? Now this is our current stage, which is an uptrend move. You all know the rules of trading, which is trade with the trend. Second, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. Now, what is our trend on GBP USD? It is very clear that this is an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend. As you can see, our markets literally pushed up, right? Give us an high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low, right? This is the higher low. Now, market has now pushed up and it has now formed a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So this is a new higher high market has given us. We would expect it to continue movement to the upside. So basically, we still have more movement to be made on GBP before it eventually give us a pullback. And if it gives us a pullback, the pullback will just be a little bit of a pullback before it eventually push up again to form a new high. So if you would be going in for the buy, it would be the best thing. So if you're in the buy, still hold your buy position. But if you're not yet in the buy, it will be best you're going for the buy, hold your buy position. More movement to the upside is what we'll be expecting. If you do not want to miss out on more updates, make sure you subscribe so that once we drop more updates, you will not miss out on it.